yesterday we talked about one of the property for solving exercise 6.4, right? Tell me the property.
Property of the length of side of a triangle.
Okay, what it says? What it says?
The sum of the lengths of
Any two sides is greater than the third side. Understood? That is what we have talked about. And also the difference between any two sides is less than the third side. Okay, or smaller than the third side. That is what we have talked about in exercise 6.2. Right, Umam? Okay, pay attention here. Okay. Now, this question. Read out the question. What is the question?
Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQRS.
Okay, this type of answers we heard in marketplace. Okay. What you are supposed to do? One person at a time. Tell me the question.
Take any point 0 in the interior of a triangle PQRS.
Okay. Take any point O, not 0. Take any point O in the interior of the triangle. Interior means inside the triangle. Okay. Now, next question is
OP plus OQ.
Equal to PQ.
PQ. We will take one by one. Okay. Each one we will take one by one. First one is OP plus OQ greater than PQ, right? They asked us this question. Understood? Now we know the property. What is your name? Milan told. Okay. Whatever Milan told, you heard that property. We will use that property and solve this question. Now they asked us this question: is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? We will write yes. Why here? I am going to explain. Okay. What you will write? Answer will start from here. Yes, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ because on joining, see properly, okay, on joining OP and OQ, let me show you. On joining OP and OQ, triangle OPQ is formed. Right or wrong? Right? And in a triangle, the sum of, Milan told right now he told, right? The sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. Understood? This is what we learned.
Yes.
So definitely it will be true. Yes? Same way. Second question. Second part. What it says is OQ
Plus OR
plus OR
greater than QR.
QR. Let us see in this diagram. Okay. OQ plus OR greater than QR. See properly. Which triangle is forming? OQR. Right? Triangle OQR is forming. And we can say in a triangle the sum of the length of any two sides is greater than the third side. Same way we are supposed to give the answer. How we will write? Yes. This one OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Then same way because on joining, what we are supposed to join right now? On joining OQ and OR, we get triangle OQR. Ready? OQR, right? And in a triangle, the sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than third side, right? Third part, what is it? OR, that is this one. OR plus OP, that is this one. Is greater than RP. Is it so? Is it so? Yes. Now what we will write? Who will tell me? I am not going to write this one. This is for you. You all, homework. So one of you will tell me. Tell me what to do now. You can see, okay? For reference, you can see and tell me the answer. Who will say? Come on, if it is wrong, it's okay. Everyone are afraid. Can you? Say? Stand up, say. Milan? That is the question. For answer, what you will write? Yes.
OR plus OP is RP.
Is greater than RP. Okay. Because on joining OR and OP, we get triangle OPR or ORP, whatever. Okay. Easy? Okay. It is very easy. Understood? So this will be your homework. You are supposed to do yourself. Clear or not? Okay. So, question number 3. Look into the textbook. Okay? Look into your textbook. This is the figure they have drawn there. What it says? AM. This one. AM is median of triangle ABC. Understood? Median I have already told. What is median? Vertex. The line segment joining the vertex to opposite side at the midpoint. That means this side is equal to this side. Okay? That is called median. Okay? This they have given. And they asked you question that AB, if you add AB, BC and CA, is it greater than 2 times of AM? Okay? They asked you this question. Okay? So what we will do? We will write the property which we know. Which property? Length property. Okay? Triangle's length property. And what it says? We know that in a triangle, say
The sum of the lengths
the sum of the lengths
of
any two sides is greater than the third side, right? This is the identity, sorry, this is the property of triangle. Okay? Now look into this triangle. A, B, M. I am taking this triangle. Is it triangle? Is it triangle? In triangle A, B, M. Can I say AB plus BM? AB plus BM is greater than AM? Can Can I say? It is the property. This see property of a triangle. We are having this triangle. So definitely AB plus BM will be greater than AM.
Yes.
Clear? Let me give it number 1. Understood till here? Okay. Again, in the triangle ACM. Now I am taking this triangle ACM. Understand? So what I will write? AC plus CM is greater than
AM.
AM, right? Give it number 2. Clear? Okay. Adding 1 and 2. What I will write? Adding 1 and 2. Why I am adding? You will come to know. Just pay attention. Okay. If I am adding, so I will add this to this, and I will add this to this. Understood? So what I will write? AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM will give me 2AM. Clear? See, till here we have this. Till here we have this. Now see properly. AB plus BM. Instead of CM here at the last place, can I write it in front? CM and then I write AC. Will it create any problem? No, right? Now look carefully this one. BM plus CM. CM plus BM. Is it giving me BC? If I add this to this, will it give me BC? Okay na? Up na? See, BC is equal to what? BM plus MC? Yes? So can I write instead of this two, can I write AB plus BC plus CA or AC greater than 2AM? Yes or no? Yes? But I will write because BC, this BC is equal to BM plus MC. Then only we can write. Clear? And we proved it. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Yes? Hence, hence proved. Okay? This will be HP. That is hence proved. Clear or not? Question number 3, everyone understood?